Hello everyone, welcome back to the Tech Mart. In this video we are going to check out the top 5 best mid-century modern chairs. Okay, so let's get started with the list. Starting at number 5, we have the Conrad Modern Faux Leather Chair. The Conrad mid-century modern armchair pairs the right feature and style to carry you a version that boasts of a premium creation substances and fashionable mid-modern design. Featuring an attention-grabbing pair's smooth wood legs and formidable, dark finish leather, this chair will deliver an attention-grabbing accent to any residing room. This is not all, this chair also comes with an undying design so that it will not go out of style each time soon. The seating region is included with durable polyurethane leather base that continues its form and shines for decades. It also comes with a properly padded seating area and back to ensure most comfort. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Baxton Studio Sorrento Lounge Chair. This is a simple, mid-century lounge chair as a way to work nicely with an expansion of favor, boasting of high-quality leather-based and strong frame and legs. This chair will convey you with the overall performance that you'll love for many years. The model comes with wide sculptural hands that allow you to seat in consolation regardless of your frame shape. Also, this complete upholstered chair has a first-rate have a look at all angles. This will assist you to use in any region, which include your bedroom, office, or residing room. We love the unfashionable current contact that blends nicely with your home decor and the traditional attraction that in no way goes out of favor. When it comes to managing and meeting, this model stands proud. It comes with an smooth to bring together and lightweight layout, making it clean to address. At number 3, we have the Sandra Dark Beige Mid-Century Modern Dining Chairs. While throwing extravagant dinner events will make your visitor experience, the outlook of your house workplace settings may put them off. Having this contemporary dining chaise may have your visitors raving about the secure and elegant chairs you had to your event. These chairs are crafted bought materials and include a beautiful appearance, so one can certainly grace your occasion. These chairs will allow you to expose off your regal facet, even as making sure that your entire guest receives the quality consolation. Despite their excellent look, these chairs additionally come with a lightweight layout that allows you to move it from one place to the other without plenty of trouble. They also are well padded to decorate the user comfort. What's more, those chairs additionally are available of vibrant color in an effort to genuinely mild up your occasion and make your guests at home. At number 2, we have the Sophomania Linen Fabric Accent Mid-Century Modern Armchair. The Sofamania armchair does no longer simply come with a futuristic but mid-century contemporary experience. However, it's additionally designed to make you at ease. This model is many of the quality dealers because it comes with a plethora of functions that makes it stand out. To start with, this version comes with extraordinary aesthetics as a way to upload a modern contact to your workplace, dwelling room, in addition to any other region where you plan to apply them. Besides its aesthetics, this model may even stand out concerning exceptional construction and comfort. The chair comes with a completely unique tender linen fabric that has a pleated element at the pin legs in addition to the backrest. You can even love the hardwood body that features a beautiful coloration to suit your decor and shade. This isn't always all, you will also love the tight seat that is full of excessive density foam for delivered user comfort. And finally, at number 1, we have the GreenForest Dining Chairs. The GreenForest emblem brings you excellent eating chairs that you'll love. They come in a groovy cutting-edge layout so as to make your dwelling space stand out. Unlike other bareback eating chairs, these devices come with a foam included returned seat. This lets you to get a modern feel and the consolation you want when taking part in your food. While now not all the eating chairs will match your desires, the manufacturer has blanketed all of the essential equipment that improve the user convenience and comfort. The person who has already purchased the seat praises this model because of the ergonomic design that promotes right sitting posture. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question about us mid-century modern chairs, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.